In today's video, I'm going to teach you DocuSign tips and tricks, how to use DocuSign full 2025 guide. Start by opening your browser and going to DocuSign. Sign in if prompted and you'll land in the main app. We'll walk across the core navigation so you know exactly where to go and why it matters. And I'll share practical tips to make each area work for you. Click on Home. This is your dashboard and your command center. Here you can quickly see what needs your attention, including drafts, items waiting for you to sign, and envelopes waiting on others. Use the filters at the top to zero in on what's urgent. If you're new, this is also the best place to start an envelope, upload a document, or jump into a recent item. Tip: check your notifications and reminders here to stay ahead of deadlines. Next, click on Agreements. Think of this as your workspace for every envelope you've sent or received. You can view drafts, in-progress items, completed agreements, and anything declined or voided. Use the search bar to find specific deals by name or recipient and apply status or date filters to clean up the view. Opening any envelope gives you a clear audit trail, recipient activity, and tools to resend or correct details if something was entered incorrectly. Keep subject lines and file names consistent so everything is easier to find later. Now click on Templates. Templates save time by letting you reuse standard documents with pre-placed fields and roles. Set up your common agreements once, like NDAs or sales contracts, so you don't have to rebuild them each time. Give templates clear names and version numbers and share them with your team so everyone stays consistent. Roles help auto-assign recipients, and locked fields prevent accidental changes. Before rolling a template out, send a quick test to yourself to confirm the signer experience looks right. Click on Reports. This is where you track performance, completion times, volumes by sender, and signer activity. Use date ranges to analyze trends, export a CSV if you need deeper analysis, and schedule recurring reports to arrive in your inbox. If you don't see this tab, your plan or permissions may limit access, so check with your account admin. Finally, click on Admin. This is where you manage account level settings, including users, groups, permissions, branding, signing and reminder policies, and integrations. Changes here affect everyone, so document updates and, if possible, test them in a sandbox environment before applying them to your live account. That's the tour. Home for your overview, agreements for day-to-day work, templates for speed and consistency, reports for insight, and admin for governance. Bookmark the app, review your notifications daily, and keep your templates clean and organized. You're ready to work smarter in DocuSign.